Sachi Garcia, Julian and Carlo Mendiola, Alden Susan Bautista and family, Pagayag family, April Bonita Navarro, Escasa Felicitas family, Juliana Reyes, Oscar Rodriguez, Jimba Megan family, Mr. and Mrs. Jose Serenity Sandono and family, Mr. and Mrs. Salvador Esparza and family, Mabelona family, Reyana family, Lopez family, Matara family, Sonny Banana, Darnell Andino, Jeff Caseste, Maricel Leo Sadaliano, Hannah King, Nenan and Nyono Pamana, Feli Reyes, Esquerra family, Perpenia family, at Hamsky family. Para sa dalangin kahilingan nila, Rebecca Perlucho, Eusebio family, Soledad Eusebio, Vicky Edward Amaranta and family, Jay Garcia and family, Asmina Masalet, Catherine Clodover, Carmela Clodover, Cindy Clodover, Francisco Martinez Jr., Catherine Kylie China Clodover, Julian Mancarlo Mendiola, Sachi Garcia, Samuel and Kelly Garcia, Sheridan Garcia, Jillian John and Johnny Rana, Rita Aurora, Myla Paterna, Rosita and Troy Celestial and family, Michael and Donna Cannon and family, Joel and Valerie Cannon and family, Maria Susie Garcia and Dennis Garcia and family, Vilma Eugenio Donalzo, Axel Rosilio, Jerome Arana, Marty Constantino and family, Brilliant and Marisol Constantino, Penny and Annie San Agustin and family, Alvaro family, Neta Bote, Jenna Bote, Joel, John and Chaya and Rosa Modelona, Judy and Sonia Bernana, at Karen Dorado. Para sa mag-iisang kagalingan nila, Daniel Castro, Renato Alvaro, Catherine Valero, Leonora Paolo, Guillermo Malona, Jenna Balona, Zainil Gernmore and family, Alfredo de la Cruz, Erlinda Policarpio, Gerardo Silorio, Karen Torres, Ellie Reyes, at Katie Eliana Quitos. Para sa mga kaluluwa nila, Adela, Alan, Aliana, Ante, Antonio, Asuncion, Aurora, Baba, Belen, Bernardita, Bienvenida, Bong, Boy, Ryan, Arlo, Carlos, Marlon, Kathy, Cecilia Maria, Celedonia, Chico, Cornelio, Cristina, Danilo, Des, Dolores, Domingo, Edgardo,